we have the new Prime Cherry Freeze.
When did you get that?
Just now. We just got it now. We saw some dude had it at the soccer fields, and we came to our spot to pick one up. We're gonna try it right now. It's really cool. The bottle is heat sensitive, so when you grab it,
Ooh,
it's kind of cool.
nice.
All right, let's give it a try. Cherry Freeze Prime.
Cheers.
Ooh. Not too bad. Ooh, this might be my favorite Prime flavor. This might be my favorite Prime.
Wait, really?
Definitely very. It's cherry, but it's not too sweet.
You said that about the KSI. It's your favorite one.
No, this is better than the KSI one. I like this better than the KSI.
You like it better than the KSI one.
I do. I like this better than the KSI.
Wow.
It's very delicious. Very cherry, but not too sweet, and it's fresh. It's like cherry water almost.
Well, it just came out like a week
It's delicious.
ago.
Give it a shot. Prime.